First bite. Smoked sausage and cheesy rice skillet. 5 ingredients, 30 minutes, and the family's fed. To the ingredients. 28 ounces of the smoked sausage of your choice. Sliced into rounds, just like that. Preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat, and then you're going to add your smoked sausage, and you're going to cook it until it is browned and crispy on the edges. 6 to 8 minutes. Just like that. Now you're going to add 1 box of Uncle Ben's original wild long grain rice. Put it in there. 2 1/4 cups of water. And the seasoning packet that came with the rice. Gonna give this a mix, bring it to a boil, and then cover it and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Do what I said. Got this big old fancy pan, and I don't even have a lid that fits it, so just use what you got. After 10 minutes, uncover and add 14 ounces of frozen semi-defrosted broccoli. Give it another mix. Cover it again and simmer it for 13 more minutes. When the rice is done, turn the heat off, and to this you're going to add 8 ounces of freshly grated cheddar cheese just to the top. We don't want 8 ounces, you could do 4. This is more like to your taste. We like cheese, so we like a lot of cheese. Cover again and let this melt. Just like that. Now let's eat. See it? It's beautiful. Y'all better go make it. So good.